Oh my Lord. 10:05, ain't no jive, baby. We're gonna catch some bass. It's right there. Oh, yeah. That was aggressive. Oh, you got it out. Good job, man. Oh, there comes the gator. Oh, I got one. It's tiny. Oh, it came off. He spit the damn hook. Did you hear my drag though? It was like, nice. He's probably 12 inches. Skinny.
He is skinny.
Get him in, bud. Oh, oh.
Just a fighter.
Just a fighter. Dan ticka 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 dan 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 ticka 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 dan dan dan.
Oh no, what in the
That's a Well, we decided to switch gears and come over to the saltwater pond and test our luck again, as we tried here yesterday and failed miserably. Speaking of failing miserably, what the hell is going on here?
Not miserably. Just fail. Fail. Fail.
We failed. Yeah, we came out here and decided to give it another shot. We really want to catch something here. We'll see if the rumors are true. So stay with us. Yeah, oh, something's eating mine too. Oh, got one. Oh, got one. Good one. Decent. Oh, it's a redfish. It's a puppy drone. Dude. Woo. Look at how pretty that fish is.
That is a beautiful fish. Beautiful. Look at the markings on that thing.
Right? Oh my gosh.
Alright, man. Hey, buddy.
That was cool.
Nice.
And he spit me bait right out. Pretty fish, man.
That was a beautiful fish.
That was so pretty.
That's probably one of the most prettiest redfish I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, there's a giant fish right there, dude. See it? See it? See it? See it?
Oh.
See it? See that giant redfish?
Yes.
Oh my Lord. Bro.
That's a beast.
That's a giant fish. I have no bait. Trying to catch a couple of them big ones who just seem wallering by. I ain't got no fish.
Yeah,
bait.
let's go to the dock.
I got no bait on my reel, dude.
Let's go try that and if not, or pass it. Call it a day.
Alright, we saw a sign over here that said alligators or fish or something like that, but there's water here, so figured we throw some shrimp in there and see what happens. You got your own private one over there. That is a giant alligator, bro.
Where?
Holy crap.
Holy smoke.
I saw him from the road before. Check him out.
Saw like a little fish running here. See all these shadows right here?
Yeah, I have a saltwater brim on here. What do they call them? Pinfish or something? Got one. Pinfish.
Got some live bait, baby. I'm gonna put this hunk of.
We missed a lot of fish because stupid GoPro wasn't working. Yay, GoPro. Can somebody please come out with a better camera? Got him. Yeah, get out of that stuff. Ugh. Dang. Yeah, get out of there. Oh, dude, top water. Oh yeah, that was awesome. You are a wriggly fish, bud. There's one right there. Watch this. If I can get. There's, yeah, there he is. Yeah. Oh, I called it, bud. Yeah. Heck yeah. Look how this thing was hooked. Wild, dude. Damn. He got me good. Yeah, I saw a swirl over there and I was like, I'm gonna catch that fish. And then I did, and that was cool. Oh, there we go. Bro, I must have caught like 15 fish. That little jerkbait thing I had on there was killing them, bro. Yeah. Oh, got him now. Whoa, baby. Did you see that? That was cool as hell. Top water. Boom. Oh, as soon as it hit the water. Bro, killing it. Heck yeah. Top water bite. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, throw it like, yeah. Just far out as you can there. Yep. Oh, dude. Bring her in. Like right in here. This next like 5 or 6 feet. Boosh! Yeah, buddy. Oh, all right. You got him. You got it. Oh, you got it. Horsing it with that 4-pound test.
Brim.
Really?
Red breast.
Oh, man. Really? New species? On a freaking whopper plopper, dude. Whopper plopper.
For the win.
Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry, man. I didn't mean to scare you there. Oh, I got one. Doubled up. I got a little one. He got me. He got me all wet. Oh, got him.
The thing with the tiny guys, like you don't know how big a fish is.
Right? Nice fish, bud. But right now,
Whopper
Yeah.
plopper, yes sir.
I caught 2 here, and then I caught 3 in total because I caught 1 at the other one, and then 2 here. And then Dad here caught 3 of them. And then the alligator chased us off. And then
yeah. It's like using a whopper plopper? Like, yep. Already? Uh-huh. Yep, doesn't matter. Don't listen to people on YouTube.